Hi everyone! Today I'm doing a review and flip through of the Blossom and Root Grade 1 curriculum. There are many reasons to like this program. It's secular, it's literature based, it has a very relaxed approach in terms of scheduling, and it also uses a very hands-on approach to teaching. I'm planning to use this in the coming year with my 4-year-old son. We have had a look through it and we're super excited. I have also gone ahead and ordered some of the key books. Not everything has arrived yet, but I will share the ones I do have at the end of the video. So to start off, when you buy this curriculum, you get everything as PDF files and not as hard copies. That was great for us because we live in Australia and I really didn't want to wait or pay for shipping. Anyway, I just printed it all out and bound them together into different books. I have a binding machine for that at home, but it's very economical to have them professionally bound too. This grade 1 curriculum is divided into 4 key areas. So you have math, language arts, nature study, and of course science. So this is the grade 1 science curriculum teaching guide. It's all about exploring geology, weather, and seasons. I really like how this science program is laid out. First of all, it's broken up into units or wonders, and each unit is divided into 3 steps. So the first step is called wonder, and that's where you basically introduce the topic and engage your child's interest. The second step is to explore the topic with lots of hands-on activities. The final step is to record the experience. Each unit is further divided into subcategories to let you choose what's best for your family in terms of how much or how little time you want to spend on each unit. And that's what I really love about this. For example, if you're strapped for time, you can go with the minimalist approach, or if you love reading, you can use the extensive book list to enrich the unit. And if your child is an especially visual learner, you can simply choose activities that are most suited for them, or make your own combination. It's really entirely up to you. There are 36 units in grade 1 science. This is the book list, and it goes on, and there are plenty to choose from. This also comes with lab work, and each unit will have some form of lab work to complete. The Blossom and Root website has sample lessons that give you an idea of how each lesson is laid out. Basically, each lesson describes its outcome, how it's linked to other areas of the curriculum, and then details the different learning options and which lab work to complete. Moving on to nature study. This focuses on rocks and minerals, landforms and bodies of water, weather and seasons, and erosion. On our own schedule separate to this, we're currently nearing the end of our astronomy unit. So once that's complete, we'll be moving on to our geology unit. So a lot of the activities and projects from here and the science curriculum will fit in nicely with our unit study and our schedule, so that's great. Anyway, the nature study area is divided into 2 parts. The first part has 4 projects. Some are short-term and others are long-term, and these are interlinked with some of the concepts from the science curriculum. The second part gives you lots of ideas for nature projects for you to choose from. And there is also a list of books to inspire you and help you connect with nature. I haven't heard of these books before, so I ended up getting a few. I got the Among the People series and Arabella Buckley's series. I ended up buying the complete series for both, with each series bound together into a set of books, because that ended up being much more economical. But you can buy the books individually as well. One of the series we bought didn't come with any pictures, which is okay for us because my son doesn't really care about that. But if I'm not mistaken, you can buy versions that do have pictures. The other series has black and white pictures spread throughout, which is nice to have. So the math part of this curriculum is not meant to be used as a core math program. You do need to supplement this with another math curriculum. We are using Right Start Mathematics, so it's not an issue for us. Basically, this is about exploring math through artwork, which I think is such a brilliant idea, especially for very young children. I have gone through the projects in here and I'm super excited by them. I really like the idea that kids get to learn about different painters and particular pieces of artwork and then get to create their own masterpiece. The language arts part of this curriculum explores various pieces of literature and involves lots of enrichment activities to bring the stories alive. And as you can see from the contents page, you will need these books, and there are optional books as well with quite a lot to choose from. Now, language arts, nature study and science also comes with student workbooks, which are pretty handy. I'll just give you a quick flip through here just to give you an idea of what's in here. So each week children get to do a little bit of narrating the story in their own words, journaling, reading practice using a list of words, a bit of poetry and copy work. This is the Science Student Workbook. And this is the Nature Journal. When you buy this curriculum, you also receive 6 issues from the profiles in the science series. I bound all 6 together. I really love these. You can buy these issues separately, and I've bought some of them before to supplement our own unit studies. They're fantastic because each issue is inspired by a picture book and includes lots of different STEM activities and projects that really bring to life the topic. I highly recommend them. Now, the 6 issues in this series are inspired by these 6 picture books. We already read all of these and my son is absolutely fascinated with the different topics, so we are very excited to get into the projects and activities and learn more. These activities also incorporate science and math, which is pretty sweet. So, to sum up, I think this is really an interesting curriculum and definitely worth investing in. It's perfect for us because my son loves hands-on activities and that's how he learns best. So I'm really excited and I look forward to using it in this coming year.